G'day mate, it's Georgie Boy here, back with another Diamond Lizard. Wait, sorry guys, I'll have to retry that. Hey guys, it's Georgie Boy here, Diamond Lizard, back with another video. Where today we're gonna be playing some Happy Wheels, which this is the third time I'm gonna be playing Happy Wheels on a series. If you guys actually like this, wait, let me just. Sorry, I was playing a game and I was like, maybe I should make a video. So, guys, I'm actually gonna be making a video today. I'm happy with this is gonna be the first video. So, also, you guys happy to hear my voice? No? Let me shut up. Okay. No, I'll just get rid of I'll just go. Bye. Okay, no, serious, guys, serious. Stay with me. Hey, stay focused. Okay. Actually, I haven't played this one yet, so let's actually play some Rainbow Spikeball. Okay, let's play some Happy Wheels. No, this is Rainbow Spikeball. Also, you guys probably wonder, like, well, like a lot of normal YouTubers. Ah, balls. Mainly because I don't have the software. Because I'm not good at life and everything. Okay, my body parts are on that mine. Mine just step. My grandma can do better than this. Well, me too. It wasn't such a. Oh, come on. I was at finish. Dun dun dun, it won! Yay! No, seriously, I have to complete this. I have to. There's just wines go everywhere. Stop that. Okay. Hey. Hey. Can do this. Yes. Okay. Hey. You like that? You like that, boy? I can do this. Okay. Yeah. We need to choose another level, so I'm gonna probably go fight hard. Do you guys like that? No? Okay, let's do it anyway. It's a pogo fight, so you need Pogo Man. Pogo. Pete, Pogo. But I don't know any guy's name that starts with P, so I'm just gonna call Pogo Pete. Alright. Space control and, okay. Space control. And let's go. Are you serious? Usually that's space control and, Alright. Ah, you. Alright. Sorry, guys. He's slim. He's been on a diet lately, so he's not fat. He's on a diet. You shouldn't really say that to a man. He's really nice. Yes. And come on. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. The ball. The ball. Says the ball, but there's more than one. So nothing. Grab the ball. Grab the ball. Grab the ball. You piece of poop. Oh, Yami's going to win. There he is. Hey, came back to me. You really do love me. What was that? You don't love me? Okay, then go then. Stay with your mom. I say to a ball, go live with your mom, and I die. Unless I got some more balls. Yeah. Dang it. That's what happens when you be mean. You get killed by a harpoon. You said something to a ball. That's real life for any kid watching this. Ugh. Which hope which a lot of kids that watch this. Not really a lot of kids. For some reason you know what? You guys you know. Ah, what I did to you this time? What I did to the balls this time, huh? You guys. I'm gonna do an easy level. Easy level. No, I'm just gonna, this one. I don't trust that one. I'm gonna shifty. Easy level. Is it easy? Oh, please be easy. If I fail this, a level that's called easy, then I must be stupid. Come on. Don't click into this bullcrap. Ah, come on. That's not good. I already know it's just death. Please, come on. Let's maybe be good for something. This is an easy level. I should be able to do this. How am I not doing it? It's been 5 minutes. I have 15 minutes of video. Around 15 minutes. That should be good, right? That should be good. Come on, that slimmest of gaps. That's... Ugh. Please, please, get me out of here. Get me out of this box. Please look at his knees. Gosh dang it, how am I not surviving this? This is supposed to be easy. I'm failing an easy level. I know what Jeff said with this. Okay, no, I'm not trying to should copy bullcrap. Before I die, because I know that's gonna kill me. Easy, right? No. Easy victory. Please, just give me that victory. Ah, I feel good. No, I can just... By pressing... Oh, I get this. Oh, I feel good about that victory. Like, I didn't actually win anything, but... Shut up. I should actually get the top rating this week. Get the good levels. So that's why it wasn't good. I didn't like the good levels. Kung Fu. Nice. Kung Fu with Willie. What's this name? Wheelchair Man. Oh, okay. Now, get out of my way. Uh, oh, jeez. Kick. Shut up, punch. Knee kick. Wait. Oh, jeez. Needle kick. Oh, wait. I really want to use needle kick. Okay. Get to the error. Oh, jeez. Nice. That's their armor. Skadoosh. Skadoosh. Oh, I want to use this. This is actually nice. Anything more? Kill him. I could actually kill at a time with that one, at least. It just shoves them in the face. Okay, needle kick. I have one more ammo. Oh, Santa, you the last person. Oh, yeah, that can feel like 2 people. As long as they're in the road, Trevor. Then that's pretty much just good. Oh. I can just click on that. That's nice. Okay, let's exit it. I'm feeling good. Hopefully this video is good. Save Happy Wheels. What's wrong with Happy Wheels? It's the Dunes? Did Billy destroy it? Actually, where? Oh. Is that really it? Oh, that's easy. Oh. You tricky. It's a poke. Get off. Get away, mouse. Go. Okay. How to escape rate 5 and you will be out. Well, no. Oh. Oh, I hit button didn't win, and I get to escape. Oh, blue ball, blue ball throw blue. Let's do this. It says blue ball, but it's freaking yellow, red, green balls. Blue balls is just. I feel bad for anyone who does that. Ugh. I'm not saying that's me or anything, but ah. But the blue balls, just, that's just painful. I only guys know that's painful. Like honestly, if you're a girl and you heard it, and you're just like, that sounds painful. Blue balls, as in balls, as in balls. Yeah, win. Hey, we can stop talking about that. Cause that level's fun. Why is the bridge jiggly? Like, it's interesting. But yeah, okay. So let's just get on. Rope swing. The swing of rope. Rope swing of swing. Okay. Why am I helicopter Harry for this? I don't trust him. He looks so shifty. He flies in a helicopter everywhere he goes. He'll be trying to kill people. Or just try to look badass. Maybe he's trying to run for president. He's school president. Oh no! Oh, the cannon almost went without me. Mike. Oh no! Yeah, that's right. Oh no, that's right. Oh no. You serious? Seriously? Oh, you stupid. Oh, see that? Wait a minute. That says troll. So I'm pretty sure that's just gonna kill me. Just in case. I want to actually try and do this. I'm pretty sure that's gonna kill me. It says troll. So I kind of just want to do this again. Because I even got close to the finish line. I want to actually see more of the game. Heh. 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 No, no, I'm barely in the cannon. My arms! Oh, yes, now! I can use your teeth. Probably help. Huh. 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 12 minutes. Okay. Still got at least 3 minutes until this video would have to end, but, you know, still. Oh, come on, get in the cannon. Ow, my leg. I put off my arm for a second. Oh, that is my arm. Stupid. Um. Roll. Okay, that was kind of right. Okay, let's do this. Basketball. I love basketball. If you guys ever want to see a video of me playing basketball or some sort, I missed the ball. It's not basketball. It's just a basket. Slam dunk, Kobe. Can I hit? No. Okay, I suck. Get it. Get it. Jesus! Hey. Oh, come on. Do I win? I win! Yeah! Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Well. Oh, spike for big hearts. Okay. That doesn't sound so pleasing. I think I played this actually. Once before. Not in a video, but I think. If I have, then I should win this first try. Nope. Ouch. I almost won that. Oh, actually, if I end the video on this, which is on 14, it's been 14 minutes. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm not alive. Can I please end the video with me completing this cycle? If I do, then it'll be amazing. How I'm alive. Come on, please. Okay. Okay, well, okay, it's almost been 15 minutes, but I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then leave a like, and I hope you guys subscribe. If you did, then smash that like button.